if you spend a lot of time watching YouTube videos, then I'm happy to tell you guys that YouTube Premium is now available in Sri Lanka. So if you spend a lot of time on YouTube, you might be annoyed by the sheer amount of ads that the platform keeps pushing to you, and then you have to just waste your time skipping all those ads, and you don't get the same amount of benefits that a premium subscriber would get. Even though you wanted to get the premium plan, previously it was not really available for Sri Lanka, so there was no way for you to go ahead and subscribe to it without using a VPN or something like that. But now it is officially available for the Sri Lankan region, so because of that you can subscribe to YouTube Premium and get some awesome features. So in this video I'm going to be telling you guys all about it, how to subscribe for YouTube Premium, what you get out of it, and should you subscribe for YouTube Premium. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with today's video. Let's go. Alright, so what is YouTube Premium? So basically YouTube Premium, you can think of it as a subscription platform. Think of it like the more premium version of YouTube, where you get a lot more content, the YouTube original shows and all of that. Plus it's going to be ad free, you get downloads and also picture-in-picture mode, and the offline playback and all those things are going to be supported. So even when you turn off your phone screen while the video is going to play, it's still going to play in the background. So having that background playback is going to be a game changer, especially if you're listening to music or podcasts and stuff like that on YouTube. That's going to be really great. Let me actually show you how this offline playback works. So I'm using an iPhone right now, but this is available on Android as well. So this is one of my old videos. So if I just go ahead and play it right now, usually what happens when I just go ahead and come out of this app is the video will just stop. But now you can see that the video will turn on a picture-in-picture. So I can just actually go ahead and use my phone the way I want, use any other applications, and the video will still play. So that is awesome. And the other part is the download option is available not only on the phone, on the website as well. And then the other great feature is that even when the video is playing, now you guys can see that it's playing. If I go ahead and press on the power button like this, the video is still playing. So as you can see, the video is playing. If I want, I can scrub through to the point that I want and the video will play. So this is great, especially if you're using audiobooks or if you're listening to news or whatever, then this is great because the video will still keep playing in the background, and as soon as you jump on in, it works. So I've reduced the volume so that it won't affect this video. So this is great. Definitely go ahead and try this on your device. It's available for Android as well as iOS. So you get all of that, and the best part is for Sri Lanka, they are giving it at reasonable price compared to the States and other countries. So we are not going to have to pay the higher end pricing for YouTube Premium in Sri Lanka. In the States, it's $11.99 or $13.99, and the price just changes according to the plan that you have. There's a student plan as well, even the family plan. You can share your YouTube Premium subscription with up to 5 people. That's really awesome. So having that bonus for that kind of price is great. But make sure when you subscribe to YouTube Premium that you do it on a web browser and not on your iPhone or iOS device, because you will get caught to something called the Apple tax, because Apple usually takes a 30% cut when you subscribe using the Apple subscriptions. So avoid that and just subscribe via a web browser, and then after that you can use it on your iPhone as normal, and all the YouTube Premium features will be available for you. So how do you do it? So just go to YouTube, just go on to this subscription section that you see over here, and then from here you can go ahead and start your trial. So actually you get 1 month free trial, so you don't have to make any monetary commitment. You just have to go ahead and hit on subscribe, and then and there the subscription will start. You just have to select whether you want an individual plan or a family plan. I'm going to go with the family plan because that makes more sense for me, because of my wife and everyone else at home will be using and sharing this plan, and having this is going to be a great thing even for me, because I listen to a lot of podcasts and audiobooks and all of that on the YouTube app. So sometimes I don't really need to have the screen turned on, but I had no option but to do it. But right now I don't have to do that. I can just either go into change picture or just play that and just turn off the screen, and it'll be working just as well, and it won't drain as much battery on my device as well. So this is going to be a game changer for me personally. And then also not having any of those ads, that's going to be super awesome as well, because as of late the number of ads just kept increasing. So you just have to keep skipping those ads and all of that. So while it's good, when the ads play, as a creator it's good because we get paid more. But as a consumer who's watching a lot of videos on YouTube, it gets really annoying really fast. If you're watching constant videos when the ads keep playing, and you have to constantly hit that skip button in order to do that. Now, talking about the creator's perspective, will this impact any of the creators? Because now the ads are not going to be played, right? Not really, because in the YouTube earnings, if you go and see your analytics, you will see that the YouTube Premium is separately listed. You will get a cut out of the people who watched your videos, and out of that you are still going to make some money through the YouTube Premium plan as a content creator. So that's not going to be too much of a worry. So at the current pricing that YouTube is offering for us here in Sri Lanka, if you're just getting an individual plan, it's something like 600 rupees. So that's an insane price for the bundle that you get here, because not only do you get YouTube Premium, you also get YouTube Music included. So you can think of this like a replacement for Spotify, right? You don't need to use Spotify anymore. I personally use Apple Music. I'm going to continue to use Apple Music because I'm all tied in there. But having an alternative service like YouTube Music is also great, because now I can use it with my smart home devices like my Google Home speakers that I have all over the place. All these days I was using Spotify, right? The free version of Spotify. I had the premium version as well, but I wasn't using it too much, so I just cancelled it out. Now because YouTube Music is going to be available, I can now use YouTube Music on all those devices and get the same experience on those. So that is really awesome. So definitely give it a shot. You have nothing to lose, because it's a free trial that you get for the first month. But I'm pretty sure at this price point it's a no-brainer. For me personally, I'm going to continue to use Premium, and I'm going to use it on all my devices tied into my Google account, because I watch a lot of videos, and I'm pretty sure if you are watching a lot of YouTube videos as well, you are definitely going to find this useful as well. So definitely go ahead and check this out, and let a friend know. Whoever is watching a lot of YouTube videos, this is their chance. This is now really available in Sri Lanka. You don't need any VPNs or whatever. It's right here in Sri Lanka right now. So definitely go ahead and check out YouTube Premium, and let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section, your thoughts. And if you guys are new to my channel, hit on that subscribe button. And that's about it. If you have any video suggestions, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. This is Banu signing out.